Hi guys. So as you can see in the intro just now, I cooked this mini sedap instant noodle. They have this Korean spicy chicken, and so I hope you guys enjoy that. I torture myself in pain, and I'm a kind of person who can't really eat spicy. I brought some of my friends to support me. They say that milk helps, but I don't have any milk. I only have soy, 100 plus, some water. So this is my first time challenging myself eating. To me, it should be spicy. I really don't know. So, okay. Come on, it's just the first bite. Wait, distraction. Let me get my phone. Come on. I'm almost there. So, in order to distract myself, I thought of a tongue twister.
Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Oh my god.
That's it, guys. I can't do it anymore. Tissue. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Next time, we will proceed with samyang. So overall, it's not that spicy. I still can finish it. Tastes good. Decent. Try it for yourself. So